This video shows how to buy shares of Getinge AB Ser. B, a Swedish medical technology company supplying hospital equipment and infection control solutions listed on CBOE under ticker GETIB.ST. This content is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GETIB.ST to locate the listing on CBOE. Make sure you select the correct Getinge AB Ser B share from the search results. Open the asset page to review basic company information, see the price chart, and confirm market hours and currency. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct Getinge AB Ser B listing. Tap the Investor Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, then review order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be pending until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more information and the eToro link, see the description below.